Want to export passwords from KeePassXC? Exporting your passwords can be useful when you're moving to another password manager, creating a backup for migration, or transferring login information to another device. In this guide, I'll show you how to export passwords from KeePassXC safely and securely. Let's get started. First, launch KeePassXC and unlock the password database you want to export. Enter your master password to access your saved entries. Next, click the database menu and choose Export. KeePassXC offers different export formats depending on your needs. Select the format that's compatible with the application or service you plan to use. Now choose a secure location to save the exported file. Enter a file name and select the destination folder. If you're exporting to a plain text format such as CSV, remember that the exported file won't be encrypted, so it should be handled with extra care. Click Save or Export to create the file. Once the process is complete, verify that the exported file appears in the selected folder. Before sharing or importing it elsewhere, make sure the file contains the information you expect. If you exported your passwords to an unencrypted format like CSV, store the file securely and delete it when you no longer need it. Leaving an unencrypted password file on your computer or sharing it insecurely could expose your sensitive information. And that's how to export passwords from KeePassXC. Exporting your password database can make migration and backups easier, but always protect exported files because they may contain sensitive information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.